Oh, I guess my mic is being. Oh, oh, there we go. Um, apparently my mic was fucked up. So yes. Hi. Your my mic is very great. I know. So I was explaining what we're gonna do today, but yeah, now that you guys didn't hear me. Hey, hello everyone. Again, you haven't heard this, but my name is Robin, also known as Robobo. 1221. It's a really professional business, I know. And I am a co-developer on Continuum graphics. I worked on 2.0, did a lot of things in 2.0. Gonna be working on Legacy today. So if you don't know what Legacy is yet, it is basically 1.3, but then merged into our new code base, which is gonna run 2.1, RT when RT comes out. RT isn't yet out, however, soon. TM, yes. That's the reason why. No, the reason why 2.0 is so slow is just because Joey is really bad at optimizing when we were working on 2.0, so that's why 2.0 is really slow. Plus the fact that Joey was like, "Hey, let's make cinematic conventional." Am I right? Okay. So yes, this is running on 60 frames on my beautiful GTX 750 on a CPU 2 times Intel Pentium R CPU GU2 130 on 3.2 gigahertz with 1 gig of RAM being allocated to Minecraft. This is by far the worst rig to develop shaders on, and I see that my composite apparently. Wait, is that for real? Is it still doing that? Oh, no way. Yeah, I'm running on a pretty I'm running on pretty old hardware, so if your experience isn't the greatest, well, you should ask Joey to host streams like this. But I just wanted to work on 2.0, or not 2.0, on Legacy, and see what we can do today. So yeah, let's check it out, boys. First of all, I was working on it a little bit. I figured out that, oh yes, apparently the stained glass doesn't work, and I don't know why. So we're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna fix stained glass because it's being a little bit. I think I should just. I think I just need to move this real quick. GG. You already see. My computer isn't the fastest, so my but I shouldn't complain because I'm the one responsible for it. Unfortunately, you can see how great my computer is handling all of this. It's luckily running on the NVIDIA codec, so it's not like OBS is consuming my CPU. Luckily. There we go. I like how the new. Whoa. Whoa. That's a new form of sparkly boys. Oops. I see why. Here, I think that should be it. Alright. Because, hello? Can you please not do that? Oh, or am I just really retarded? That could be also the case. Let me check. What's going on? Depth. It doesn't know what depth is. Of course it doesn't know what depth is. I'm done. Alright, well, it was a little bit of a blunder there. I should do this. There you go. That should work. Hopefully. Still doesn't work. What am I doing wrong? Incompatible types. Of course. Of course, it's incompatible. Okay. So this guy's gone now. What if I just undo everything here? For 2. Why does this have to encode it? I don't get it. Okay. Whatever. We're gonna encode it right now. Oops. Encoding works. Are you really? I'm having a struggle. I wanted to work on this, but it's now not letting me doing it. So. God damn it. Work. It literally does not work. Why does it not work? That's my ultimate question. Why does it not work? Is it because I should have discarded over here? Oh my god, yes, no, that's not the thing that should happen. Because how it used to be before, used to be, whoa. Okay, so it used to be like this, right? This was before. This is how Joey left it. It is literally doing a feedback loop on the everything that's opaque and that is behind the sky. So perhaps if I do this, it should work. It does work. Okay, good. So this does work. Now the only thing that doesn't work is that sky part, which should probably just be like this. And then that doesn't work. And I think I know why. So we need to say, okay, so sample 1. We're gonna create a new variable, which we are gonna call we're gonna call vec3 color. Actually, final composite. We're gonna call final composite, which is just gonna be a vector3. And we're gonna say, okay, so final composite is that, and we're not gonna return anything because why would we? Actually, no, that is pretty. I would rather do it differently. Again, this doesn't make any sense. So it says first thing that's different. It says that this file takes a paper of geometry, blah blah blah. It calculates the sky for proper blending with semis, which should happen over here, I guess. Streaming clouds are always above speed up, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Meaning we're gonna merge or migrate stuff. We have to migrate stuff, I guess. Alright, no problem. We can just migrate stuff. We're gonna just make a vec3, which is called final composite 0, which is just singular vector 3, which is and then do we need the sky? I don't think we need the sky. Not right now, at least. So we're gonna call the buffer 0 to be that. So buffer 0 goes in here and it gets called up to sample 1, which is color check 0, which is correct. But whenever I do that, it doesn't oops. Oh god. It does do less of an oopsie now, but it did a bigger oopsie earlier on. So if we do that, okay, here we go. So depth, right? It does an oopsie, but why? That's a great question. Why does it do an oopsie? Because it shouldn't do an oopsie. That's the thing. It shouldn't do an oopsie because this is all rendered before, but it does it anyway. What the hell is going on over here? So if what happens if we do this? That's my main question. What happens if we do that? Okay. What if we don't do anything at all? Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere, I think. We're getting somewhere. But I'm not getting there quite yet. That's what I think here. So what if we don't return anything? Or we do need to return though, that's the thing. So we're just gonna do this real quick. Alright. Also, how is everybody doing today? I'm doing absolutely fine. I just got sort of graduated, I guess. It's the only thing I don't get. I don't get it. I don't get it. Let me check the shader properties. So you wanna save it? What if we? What if we flip that? Really doesn't do anything. Really doesn't do anything. Okay. Now, let's do something else. First, I'm calling true. Always needs to be on. So what if we do? Let me check my own shader because I have it in my own shader. Let me check here. Let's block the properties. We don't want that. We want shader sub properties. We want these two off. What happens if we do that? Will that do anything if we don't blend them? Because we don't want to blend them. Oh god. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. But then, why the hell does that not work? Do we need to assign something at least? Buffer 0. I think I know why. And I think I know what's happening here. We need to first assign something to it. No. God damn it. It's not working as I want it. I'm already having some struggles here. What if you say this? Alright, so find a composite. Buffer. What do we do this, right? Because I have no idea. So we say, I know. Stop. I'm trying, okay? Why do we do this? God damn it. Right. Not working either. It doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't. Joey, how did you even put this up? Jesus Christ, Joey. What have you done? I'm literally just trying to render glass. And that's it. That's all I'm trying to do. Do I need to put this on 1? Is that it? Is sub for the A somehow affected? By 0.5? I don't know. Yeah. Doesn't quite work, guys. And why? Why doesn't it work? That's my biggest question, because it should just work. You set it up correct, didn't he? If he didn't, then he's just being really silly now. Simple 1 RGB. Simple 1. This goes there. Alright. Simple 1. Takes in simple 1. I'm having a stroke right now. Joey, can you explain me something? So, what I'm trying to do, alright? What I am trying to do here is to say, okay, great. We have land, we have opaque stuff. Simple 0 something done? No, because wait, hold up. That makes sense. I think I know what's going on here. I think I know what's going on here. So color text 1. It's going here. Color text 1, which is over here. Color text 1. If we go to buffer 1 albedo gets no, like it's weird because it's not. It is not even writing to a color. Like if we remove this, blend translucent, it's still going to blend anyway. Because how Joey set it up. The way Joey set it up, I see how he did it. He basically rendered the opaque stuff. I just see nothing. You saw nothing. This thing what he did here is he rendered, right? He rendered the stained glass alongside opaque stuff. That's all. That's what he did. I cannot do anything with this shit. I have to rearrange, but I don't know how the hell he has set this all up because it's like really confusing. So what he did, albedo, so buffer 1, which buffer 1 gets called over here if I'm correct. Yes. Which then buffer 1 doesn't get out. Why did... That doesn't make any sense. Yes, deferred. He has deferred. Right. Oh. He has deferred. He has deferred. Okay, so that's something I know now. He has deferred, but he doesn't use it at all. Hawks, could you please contact Joey and say that he should not render opaque stuff with semis in the same buffer? Can you please say that? Can you please tell him that? Because this is I cannot work. It's not letting me. Seth is not online. Wait, let me check. Yeah, Seth is not online. I'm sorry. At least not for me. Let me check. Yeah, Seth is not online. But he did it wrong. He did it very wrong. So what? The way it should, how he should have done. He should have. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. All right. Well. So what he did. He's like, hey, we have our solids, right? Or opaque stuff. It's great. Well, right, we render our opaque stuff with this is how it should be. We render our opaque stuff with the lighting, right? And what we do then, we render over that lighted the lighted scene, we render the stained glass and whatever over it. So what would happen is that it would blend. But what Joey did instead of all of this, what he did is, it was like, alright, well that's cool and all, but I'm just going to render this with the actual opaque stuff. And I don't know how to change it, because if I change it, I don't know what will happen with Joey, because he will probably get really angry at me. That's a difficult situation here. I love this. So the buffer 2 is just skip it. Just skip it. So we fucked the we literally okay. Well, we'll just not gonna worry about this yet. I will let Joey or Jake look at it. In the meantime, I can do this over here. Oh god. Oops. Okay. We're gonna make do the sky. Alright. We're gonna do the sky. So for that, and break or and return one return one completed. So alright, so the F in Friday is their pay respect to productivity. Yes, I know, right? I just want it to work, but it doesn't work because Joey has set it up wrong. He's like, my base is perfect. My base is the best. How dare you criticize my base, you know? Let me see. Do we have TAA? We do have TAA, but it's not on. We can make it on. There you go. Ah, oh, that's lovely. Nah, that's lovely. Do have some minor artifacts from removing, but whatever. So TA works, stuff works. We're gonna get shadow working. A shadow. We need a shadow. That's what we need. So all this stuff over here. We're gonna make a Vec3 final composite 0 because I think 0. We're gonna start up with lighting. We have lighting included? No, we do not. We'll make it included. Oh god. I could just put this in and it will work. That's pretty much what. That's pretty much how we're gonna do it. We're just gonna put it in, and it will just work. All right. Continuum lib. We're gonna put in common. So with capital. I think it is, right? Is it? Common? Oh, it's common with capital. Okay. Common, and we're gonna get the shadows at GLSL. I'll probably throw an error at me. It's like, hey, you don't have these and that and this and that. Well, we're just gonna fix it. There's not much of a problem. Distort shadow space projection. That's also not a problem. That should be in, if I'm correct, should include. It's an internal lib. Internal. I don't know why you put it in internal lib, but whatever. Internal lib, and it should be called uniform. Shadow distortion.gsl. That should be it. Alright. That's the first one. If I'm correct, now we have the functions that we need for that. Now we just need shadow view custom. Shadow view custom. What in the world is that? Shadow view custom. These are shadow matrices? Shadow view custom. Ah. Interesting. So we need another one. Include. We're probably just gonna put it under here because that's most conventional. Include. We're going to include shadow matrices because that's what we need, and we also probably need shadow text ones, shadow color. So we're gonna put it into. If you give me a second. Shadow model view, shadow projection, whatever. We're going to put this in here. So where should we put this? Probably over here. Uniform map 4. This is so like, yeah, this is me. Hi. Shadow model view. We're gonna put that there, and we're also putting a shadow projection uniform map 4. Shadow projection. Then we need shadow text 1, shadow color. And shadow color. Conflicts because I know why. Oops. Not Hive for legacy, same. Alright, so we got that working. Now we're gonna put that in. If I'm correct, I can just steal it. Pretty much. First of all, we need to get a different let's see. So common shadows. Give RT. We're gonna give RT, yes. After this, I'm not going over RT, but yeah. The other whatever, serves normal line factor. I think it should be okay. Here we go. Let's see. Whoa. That's mine. That's the wrong one. Oops. Let's just not go into my shader. That's my shader. Let's just not do that right now. Fragment. Well, that's why we have a thing. Fragment. We're gonna create a new file in here. create a new file. We're gonna call it diffuse lighting GLSL. Alright, we're gonna put a header on it. Can we do that? So we just need to do a diff. So, like that. And instead we're gonna call it diffuse lighting. Like that. And that should be good. Alright. We're just gonna put this up here real quick. Okay, so vec3 calculate diffuse lighting. I'm gonna probably need the position, or actually we're gonna make it a mat 2 times 3 position. And we're gonna get a we need a dither. We need probably a surface normal as well. Surface normal. We need a vec3 light vector. We probably also need Murphy a dither and a bull is vegetarian. For vegetation, I mean, oops. Did I just say vegetarian? I'm so dumb. Okay, so vec3 diffuse. Let's just do this real quick so we at least have something. Vec3 shadows equals this whole thing. So we're starting with shadow position equals the I need to figure out how I did this again. I'm correct with a transmat. But there is a better way of doing this. There is a better way of doing this, which is also my pick. There's a better way. Of course, there is a better way because I know a better way of doing all of this. So you're just going there. So we call this the shadow matrix, which is going to be a varying. Here, the shadow matrix. And we're going to put it in composite. Just out. World to shadow matrix. Which is going to be 2 matrices combined. And which is the shadow matrix are these 2 beautiful matrices. Now let's see if this works. Matrix for shadow projection. I think my family is gonna be about to come in my room, which I don't want, but whatever. And then we need this beautiful thing. That's all. Gonna be right under here. Just gonna be our custom one. Your form. Should have made you see thank you.
Happy-o. Happy-o.
Well, that was awkward. Alright, my mom came in and she was like, wow, hey, what are you doing? Well, we check. Okay, so what if we say? What if we say? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think we do need this. I think I have a better way of doing this. Well, I guess not. Then. Finally beat Tetris. Someone finally beat Tetris. That's interesting. Oh god. You know what? I can just do this real quick instead. This little small thingy. Here, should have projections, so we need it. Oh god, I have a lot of shit to do here. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. There's right. Should have position is done. Service normal is done as well. Or light vector is done. Dither is also done. Substitution is also done. So return, I'm gonna return shadows. Okay, just like that. Come on. Okay, so that works. thing. Oops. Did I forget to do a thingy? Is that it? Yes, I did. Damn, it doesn't understand what it's doing there. I don't know why. It's in here. Which we should check out. Go away. I've long not done this, so we have to do a trans matrix, which is factory shadow matrix thing. Hold shadow matrix. Should not be a fact 3, it should be a mat 3, I'm sorry. Or a mat 4. Here we go. So we have a trans mad. I want to make a joke, but it's not funny. I want to make it a really bad joke, but it's not funny. It's a really awful joke. Oh god, it's a really awful joke. Oh god, I can't. I'm sorry. It's not. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god. View vector. Line vector should be uniform. Shadow position. Where? Thither is nothing else than wait, damn, do we don't? Do we? We do. Good. I like that. Float differ equals GL underscore frac for does that still work in this version? That's my question. Let's put this on false. Always on false, doesn't matter. Set a position. I'm really trying not to smile. It's like, make repeat it. Yeah, I know, right? Position 0 equals. You said an off topic. I don't recall. But okay. Sure. Projection matrices. Oh god, this is a lot of stuff. Matrix projection. Projection matrix. It doesn't really matter, does it? No. Yep. Transmad. Again, just trying not to laugh here, because that would be really bad. Nice. Helpful tutor. Okay, so it should just have uniform at 4G buffer on all of your neighbors. Hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. View vector. Oops. View vector equals the norm normalization of position 0. Light vector, the third. Boom. Work. And it doesn't work. Doesn't understand what projection inverse is. Okay. Let's fix that up. I have none of my family will come in again, because that will be really embarrassing. Alright, well now, nothing. Literally nothing. Oh, okay, thank you. Screen. Absolutely nothing. Does this part work? I think I should do this instead. This is it? Is this why it doesn't work? I think it is. That makes more sense. Oops. Oops, no, I didn't mean to do that. SMH. Work. It did something, I think. it did something. That's for sure. But what did it do? At the same time, I think it did nothing at all. Interesting. Very interesting. Indeed. So it's a frame. Or it's so huge. I know, right? I only run this on 30. Let's see. So shadows. Doesn't get shadow, surface normal. So surface normal should be about the same. I wanna get shadows working. That's the first thing. Diffuse. Maybe maybe I have to do this. Who knows? I don't know. Correct here is the right thing, yeah. Oops. I found one thing. That I think is the cause of this not working. Is it syntax? Is that it? Nope. I think I know what's causing all of this. Oh, never mind. It was already there. Alright. Then why the hell is it not working? What if I put true? Nothing. This is a tricky one. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Who knows? Maybe it is. Is that it? No. I need to do this. Maybe? Okay. It's an interesting one, I guess. How do I do it in my shader? Because I'm just gonna look at mine. Because fuck this shit. Oh, god damn it, it's so much. I see. I see. No wonder why it does not work at all. No jitter. Fuck you, jitter. Okay. Well, that's great. And we can just do this. We can just do this and it should work. It needs to work. Because otherwise, I'm gonna get really mad. You don't want to see me mad. Because then, hello? Okay, now I'm confused. Now I'm really confused. I think. Did it even reload? Yes, it did. Let's put this on true. What did? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm about to have a stroke. Nope. That's not it. Oops. Maybe negate this. Nope. Nope. Let me check. What is it even doing here? What if we don't do this? Nope, nothing. What could it be? What could it be? Might be anything. Maybe it's the options? Might be. Okay. Let's see. No, that's not it. Well, this is really weird. What kind of mad do we do over there? Okay, it's friend's mad. Good. Okay, so We are on Continuum Legacy, right? Yeah. This is kind of weird then. That's really weird. I assume that this one isn't correct. That's what I assume. This could be the case. I don't know why, but could be from anything really. Few cards. That's is correct. That's all correct. Okay. Interesting. Cause it should just work. What if we say, right? What if we say? Oops. What if we do this? Okay, so it does know where we have to do everything. Okay, good. Okay, so it does know that. I can see my character moving around there. Okay, so that's correct. How does position 1 look like? Or position 0, whatever. Looks correct too. Yeah. It's correct too. Position 1. How about that? Position 1. Also looks correct. So if I'm correct, I should be like, okay, fract position 1, x, y, z, like that. That should work. Yeah, okay. That works. But then, if that's correct, and that's correct too, and why does it do that? Okay, I have to make sure it's like this. Oh. I think it is. I'm getting close. I think this is it. This should be it. No? Okay. do this. And so this works. There's our beautiful thingy. Jiggles, whatever. Then okay. I think I see what's going on here. I think I see what is going on here. Yeah, I know. Here. This should be happening. There we go. Okay, good. Nice. With shadows. We got shadows now. Do they have for number? No, because they're not put on for number, probably. For number. We're slowly getting there. Oh, it does have PCSS, it just doesn't do it, I guess. Okay, so we have shadows. Good. That means we should probably also have. We can multiply this by a fuse. Albedo. Or, yeah, albedo. Here we go. Looked off, servers no, and redirecting. Alright. It's the wrong space. I guess it is. Now let me check. Is this in the right space? Code normal. Let's see. Just like that. And now it should work. There you go. Okay. So get shadows. Working, I guess. No, that's a problem. It doesn't have the new BRDF. Sorry, Hawks, but it doesn't. And oh my god, what the fuck is that? Okay, we're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna fix that. Right, goddamn now. Temporal jitter. Okay, so let's see. Should fix. It doesn't have fix. Oh, okay, sure. Sure. You farm some and then we did the pixel size. View height, and we're gonna basically we gotta make sure we define pixel size. So we're just gonna do pixel size equals 1 over magnitude of view width and view height. Perfect. That should do the trick. And it doesn't do the trick. 1 second. Oh god. Oops. Hello? Why don't you work? Okay, now it does work. Okay, good. Good. Alright, so we got basic shadows working. Here, okay. We got basic shadows working. And it works. That's all I care about. It's pretty much all I care, like really, for real, that's all I care about. Let's make sure we have something as well. Okay, let's add a little bit of skylighting so I can actually see anywhere else here. There we go. Okay, so we got basic skylighting now too, and shadows, and it works. And the Penumbra still doesn't work, but we'll look at that later on. For now, this whole thing works, I guess. Good. So if you're wondering how it should go, it should be pretty much become this. Here, if it loads up, it'll be great. Come on, work. Come on. Here we go. Okay, so it should become this. Only better. It's just better. It's the only difference. It should just be better. It's a long long time from now, but you know, we are already going so far, and it works pretty well. So for now, it's pretty late. I gotta get going. I will make sure I'll commit this on. Yes, I am writing from scratch. The whole thing will be written from scratch. However, a lot of the code will also be imported from 1.3. But mostly it is from scratch. Yeah. There. Legacy. So we currently have this. This is all we have now. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright. Now, as of right now, I need to make a plan, which I won't do now, but I will probably do it in my spare time. Anyway, still, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna, at least, yeah, stop the stream, and, I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different because I'm the only one, or only person right now who does the stream, without Joey, so it's really my first time doing this, so, thank you all for watching. We'll be continuing on this later on, not now, but yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Hopefully Joey will be there too. And until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye.